Okay, this is the new 527F control. This is how it comes up. Doing some accuracy tests. Looks really good. So let's hit manual. Let's press our space bar. It's a cold start. No, we don't want to move. Is our MDI mode. M3S 3000. Start. That goes running good, no problem. Okay. Looks like I got my override. Can mess with my override. Let's say I want to go way up. Technically that's 200%, not quite though. Okay. Let's shut the spindle off. Okay, now here's something that's really cool. Let's check our memory. Ooh. 5.5 gigs of memory. 9,169 miles of paper tape free. I'm sorry, 9,000 miles. Okay, here's another cool feature. Not quite sure about this here. So let's look at this. Select the max rapid feed rate. Okay. We do custom inches per minute, 1,000 inches a minute. I'm not sure how fast this will go. There's a jerk factor here. I'm not quite sure about that factor. There's also this baud rate. Now, I mean, yeah. What's going to happen there? That'd blow the Fadal right off the floor. That's insane. Let's go back to the back cabinets, take another look. Awesome. Go on the back of the cabinet. Okay, new LCD equipped. This is supposed to be mounted on a DIN rail, but we did not have a DIN rail with the kit. They forgot to ship it. But we did have wood. So wood works pretty good when you're in a pinch. Our video card hooked up to our 5-volt DC. And ground. Let's go back. Here are the cards installed on a DC machine. On a DC machine, you need to keep the clock card, that's that guy, the mill interface, that's that guy, and the chiller card. All that other crap comes out. It's all slow. So our high-speed data connections are here. Our connection to the front for video is here. And we also have another Ethernet connection there, and a USB that comes out the front. This is cool. This USB, you can put a USB key in and drop your 5 gigabyte program in, and that is included, no extra charge. So basically everything hooks up. It's very simple. You take your feed pot from the clock card, you move it over to the S100 mainboard card, and that's it. Very quick, easy install.